What's up YouTube, this is your boy SA Tech here, and today I'm going to do a full unboxing and a review of the Fitbit charge-free advanced fitness tracker, and also I got this band as well, which I will do a separate unboxing and review for. So first off, this is the Fitbit I have got. Now the reason why you want one of these is to track your fitness or track your health. Like I started going to gym recently and I'm like, want to know how much calories I'm burning, how much steps I do each day and stuff like that. So this will be good for you if you're them type of people. So this is like a full on watch, it's nowhere near close to a smartwatch, it's just a smart fitness tracker. So let's have a look around the box. See Fitbit charge-free advanced fitness tracker. See there. So some feature of this tracker is that unlike the Charge 2 is waterproof, so you can take a swim in. It's a heart rate monitor. It has different like fitness track activity, like if you're doing weights, it will track weights, if you're doing running, it will track running, if you're doing treadmill, it will track treadmill, stuff like that. Because if you connect to your phone, you can see all your notification and you can reply to it with like quick replies. And it's got 7-day battery life. So here's some information in the back. So I think the camera is a bit blurry, I don't know why, but that's what it will do for now. So just open it from here, I'll pull out the bottom. Now I have used this already, I have set it up. So I haven't got the charge inside. I tried to find it but I can't remember where I put it, but I know I put it somewhere, so I will find it later on, but just remember it does come with a charger. So here's the Fitbit itself. So mine is the rose gold with the blue band. You can get different colours. I believe there's an all black one and like a sporty Adidas edition type one. So in the box you get an extra band, which is good. The charger will be inside here and you get a few manuals. That's to show how to set it up, but I won't do that, just to focus on this. And here it is. So let me just press that and here it is. So here's the band, see blue. Okay, so first of all, let's to the main bit, the display. Now I don't know the exact inch size, but I know it's 40% bigger than Charge 2. It's OLED display and it's got proper touch. The other one, like it was touch type with like a capacitive touch, but this one's a proper touch. On the left side you do get like a haptic feedback button. So I wonder if you can hear that. So I wonder if you hear that, that's a haptic, feel like a vibration. Other side nothing. On the bottom you do get your charging and your heart rate monitor, like so. Also you do get you get a quick release for these straps, so you can change our straps to any you like. And I think that's a microphone there, I'm not too sure because I haven't really had this for long. It's only been a week, but I'm sure that's like a microphone, not too sure. Anyway, let's get into it. So that's your display. Now you have different watch faces, but you have to use the app to change it, but you do get different ones. So I currently got mine to set the steps, time and date. You swipe up from the bottom, you can see your battery life, how many steps you've done, what's your heart rate currently, how much miles you've done, how much calories you have burnt, how much stairs you walked up, and so on and so on, how much sleep you had, your weight, how much water, how many activities you've done so far. That you could change as well. So all of these settings you could change to set your personal need. So I exercise 5 times a day, it shows me that I've done 5 times a day. If you do more, it shows you how many you've done. So just press that to go back, the button there, home button, swipe down. Okay, come on, it shows you notification, but I got nothing yet. You swipe to your right, you get all your menus, your exercise, relax, timer, alarm, weather and setting. So let's start from the beginning, exercise. So when you click on it, it will show you all your different activities, so like running, biking, swimming, treadmill, weights and interval timer. So say we're going weights, click start, let's go. Now I start monitoring my heart rate, my calories, all the way, how much I burnt, everything. So you can see the heart rate monitor will go off now and then to measure your heart rate. I see what your heartbeat is. Now when you finish your workout, to cancel it, press the home button, press it again, click I can return or finish, click finish, and it shows you how much minutes you do on your heart rate, your max heart rate, your calories, stuff like that. Click done. Then once you sync it to your phone, it will sync. Now you gotta relax. Basically what that will do, you got 2 minutes or 5 minutes. So if you have like a stressful day, you need to just wind down. This will help you. So you click start. Okay, be still, take a slow deep breath, be still. You will measure your heart rate again, synchronize your breathing, or sense your breathing, sorry. So basically you just follow to the pulse of it, and it will help you calm down. Also you have a timer, so you have a stopwatch, so you could say like you resting for 30 seconds, or you want to time yourself. That's that. You also do have a countdown clock. Below that you have alarm, which you have to set in the app, but you can set alarms on. Basically, so what this means that you wear this at night time to check your sleep in. Set alarm when to wake up, and it will buzz and it will wake you up. You got your weather and you got your settings. Now your settings, you got your brightness levels. You got normal, auto, and dim. You got your vibration, strong, normal. That's it. You got heart rate on or off, and notification to your sleep, about. So you got your version and stuff like reboot device and clear your user device, and that's it for what it has. No other setting. It's just a simple fitness tracker. Now these are my good points about this tracker. It's very easy to use. You can see it's very easy to use. Anyone can use it. Easy to set up. It's got like a nice fashionable design, so it's not like out of play. It just look ugly. It's really nice and comfortable in the hand. I don't like this strap. I like this strap better. Get the exact fit. I will do that unboxing shortly. And so also it's got heart rate, and it's waterproof, and it's got 7-day battery life, which is good. My bad points are that it's too basic, way too basic for my needs. I want a bit more functionality in my bit more functionality basically. So I see Samsung fitness tracker, and they got like control your music, answer phone calls, night phone calls, stuff like that. But I think that's a smartwatch, not a fitness tracker. But you get my point. I need more functionality, so that's why I'm getting sticking Fitbit, but getting the Icons or Ionic smartwatch. My other bad point is this strap. I do not like this strap. They're like not flexible enough, especially these points here. They're not flexible whatsoever, and they do not fit. I hate the fitment of this. That's why I got the other strap. And yeah, that's about it. I also forgot this is an OLED display, so yeah, it should be good. And yeah, that's it. That's just my quick unboxing and quick review on the Fitbit Charge 3. If you did like this video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. Tell me how can I improve my videos in the future. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video.